and welcome back. I am Arpita and today I'm going to speak the truth. Nothing but the truth. मैं जो कहूँगी सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगी. Today I am going to give you some real knowledge about the people of Uttar Pradesh. I am from UP. Well, actually I am half UK, half UP, some part Delhi. Focus on the video, but my original roots are from UP. This is an important video because I think there is so much of misconception about UPites. I'm not complaining or defending, but I'm trying to make things more transparent because you only know what the media and movies tell you. I am spreading awareness today. So I have come across a lot of people saying or asking these many things about UPites. They are always eating gutka, they're very abusive. The language is so funny. They have no dressing sense. Poor people. Uncultured. They are cowards. They are so overconfident. Let me break it down for you. Now, first of all, UP has a population of 19 crore 92 lakhs something, more than that. It is the highest in India, and if you declare UP as another country, it will be the 5th most populous country in the world, and therefore I can say that every UPI does not eat gutka or pan or tobacco or whatever. Second thing, not everyone is abusive. I mean, I have friends, including me, who cannot even think of an abusive word. It means whenever we are angry, we don't even abuse in our minds. Really. UP shares its border with 9 other states of India and Nepal. So on the borders, the language is all mixed. So East UP is very much different from West UP, and in the middle, it's normal Hindi and Urdu. I think now it will make things clear about the language of UP. Iti, we have had so many Hindi writers from ancient and medieval times like Kalidas, Tulsidas, Surdas, etc., and modern writers like Maithili Sharan Gupta, Munshi Premchand, Jayashankar Prasad, and many more. And therefore, UP is sometimes called Hindi heartland of India. If you don't trust me, go check Wikipedia page of UP. Culture starts from UP. The divine epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata started from UP. It is the Karma Bhumi of Gautam Buddha. He gave his first sermon at Sarnath, which is near Varanasi, and Varanasi is also called the cultural capital of India. Did you know that? The Kumbh Mela, where the twins in the movies always get separated, is organized in Allahabad and Haridwar. Kathak is the dance of UP. Pandit Birju Maharaj is from UP. The Taj Mahal, the symbol of love, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is in Agra, again in UP. And for education, let me read it. We have more than 50 universities, including 5 central, 28 states, 8 deemed university, 2 IITs, 1 IIM, 1 NIT, and 1 National Law University, and so many other private colleges and universities. We are the 3rd largest economy of India. Well, people wear a variety of traditional and Western styles all over the state. So you really cannot comment on the dressing style because it is different for every individual. I will just take some names to give you the example of how much courage we have. Mangal Pandey, Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and so many more. I don't think I need to say more on this. Overconfident. I mean, did you not see me in the whole video? It's the exact opposite of overconfidence. In the end, I would say that I am not trying to prove something. I am just saying that stop generalizing and stereotyping people based on their caste or creed or religion or region, because everyone is very, very different from the other person. And UP and Bihar is not one. We all are one. I don't know who said that, but I think it's rightly said that every Indian becomes an Indian when he or she is outside India. And as soon as they enter the country, they become Gujarati or Marathi or Rajasthani or from UP or from Bihar. Just be Indian. And if you want to be from a state, then make it proud by doing the positive things, not the negative things. And for all the people, I want to say that if you can't say nice things about people, then don't say bad things too. It doesn't look nice. And that's all from me today. We'll meet next week. Bye. Hi, I forgot to say one thing. If you like this video, give it a like and talk to me in the comment section below. If you also hear these things about UPI, share this video and don't forget to subscribe.